Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to display the full path of files and folders in Windows 10. Let's get started. To begin, press the Windows logo key and the E key simultaneously to open File Explorer. Next, click on the View tab in the File Explorer ribbon. Then, select Options from the drop-down menu. In the Folder Options window, make sure you're on the View tab. Look for the option that says Display the full path in the title bar and click to check the checkbox next to it. Once you've checked the checkbox, click on the OK button to save the changes. Congratulations! You've successfully enabled the display of the full path of files and folders in Windows 10. Now, whenever you navigate through File Explorer, you'll be able to see the complete path of the files and folders in the title bar. This can be incredibly helpful, especially when you're working with multiple folders or need to quickly identify the location of a specific file. Remember, if you ever want to revert back to the default settings, simply follow the same steps and uncheck the Display the full path in the title bar checkbox. That's it for today's tutorial on how to display the full path of files and folders in Windows 10. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.